What if every trade you made came with zero fees? And those savings actually went into your back pocket. This is informational content sponsored by Crypto.com and should not be considered investment advice. Trading cryptocurrencies carries risk, such as price volatility and market risk. Before deciding to trade cryptocurrencies, do consider your risk appetite. All right, folks, so we are here today to talk to you a little bit about Crypto.com Level Up. And I have to say, I am a user of this service myself. I've been talking about Crypto.com, invested, interested, owner of the Crow token, owner of a card, since around about 2018. So we're talking a few years, and they have never let me down, disappointed me whatsoever. All around, as Crypto.com as a company are a fantastic service, and when they brought this level up into play, I just had to take advantage. And one of those biggest reasons is simply because the fees are waived. Whether you're on Plus package, whether you're on Pro or the private, zero trading fees on unlimited trading volume on the private, up to 50K per month, which is quite a bit on the Pro, and 20K per month there on the Plus. And as I did mention in the intro, more money stays in your pocket with each transaction. So with the Level Up program, using the card and you're trading, and you're essentially accruing more assets in your pocket that are going to increase in value over time. No annoying fund lockups or anything like that, or minimum balances required. It's easy. You can earn on the transfers here. Your stocks, move your portfolio, enjoy ACAT's transfer bonus of up to 3%. And you're spending those dollars, whichever card you're going to be on, and you're earning that crypto back. Again, for example, if you're going on one of the most popular ones here, the Pro, you get a 3% back on card spend. So pretty good if you ask me. If you're someone that spends a bit of cash, which I know you probably are, then Pro, maybe the jade green option there could be pretty interesting. What's really cool is you've also got access to the virtual Visa card, flexible cancellation, as well as rebates on the subscription there. So really nice all round. Trading with Crypto.com Level Up here just makes trading far more accessible. Whatever level you're at, absolute beginner, beginner, intermediate, pro, it simply does. One simple app for both lifestyle rewards and investing. So you don't have to juggle several apps or platforms or services to get the benefits from Crypto.com Level Up. And as mentioned, you are earning those free CRO, aka Crow, the native token of Crypto.com, when you're spending the card, when you're trading, and then you can just go along and potentially even put them to work even further in the earn section. And of course, you do have those rebates on travel and streaming. For example, the airport lounge access is absolutely fantastic, and the streaming services and the subscriptions that do come along as the rebates with Crypto.com Level Up. And the best part is today you can start a trial program. It's a 30-day free trial, and you can cancel at any time, no obligations. What's really fantastic is that you can actually get 5% APY back on cash and up to 6% rewards back on Crow spending. Take your wealth to the next level. Skip the fee, start your free trial now, and trade smarter with Crypto.com. All of the links will be at the very top of the video description and in the pinned comments. And if you enjoyed, please do like, subscribe, comment, and hit notifications. See you next time.